Okay, today I want to show you the SimPure 10-inch by 2.5-inch diameter pleated filter. I want to thank the manufacturer for sending it to me so we can do a look at it. I want to show you the advantages of it is that it's pleated. That means there's just more material in here, so they last longer. You can run like 20,000 gallons of water through them. To install them, it's fairly easy. This compartment just unscrews from the bottom of the RV. You put the filter in, you line up the top and the bottom, put it back on. Of course, you want to take the plastic off of it. And so we're going to go over to the RV and show you where this is and how you install it. You just tighten it up with this little wrench. Okay, so you can see back in the corner of the RV. Okay, so you can see I got my cartridge and I put it inside that, and then you can see up in the back there is just the housing. So to install it, all I need to do is just twist that on like that. Okay, can't quite reach it, and then snug it up with the wrench. Alright, so there we have it. We just put the cartridge right up in the compartment of my RV. Snugged it up a little bit. It doesn't need to go on there super tight. And easy install.